Hi, my name is John Seifert. I am the president of Informa Exhibitions, which is the parent company of Channel Partners and Cloud Partners. Well, our spring event was yet again another hit. In fact, we had the largest Channel Partners spring event of all time just earlier this year in 2015, with more than 4,600 people at that event. In the fall, we're going to be rolling out our third annual Cloud Partners event. This year, the event's going to be taking place from Wednesday, September 16th to Friday the 18th at the Heinz Conference Center in Boston, Massachusetts. We're going to the Northeast for the first time in a number of years, and we're very excited about this move and what we have the opportunity to do in the Boston area. Our theme for this year's event is Cloud Means Business. So what does that actually mean for all of us as partners out there in the marketplace? Whether we're VARs or agents or solution providers, integrators, MSPs, etc., it all means one primary thing, that we can enable scale, impact, and action based on the cloud services that we deliver through our cloud practice. Scale, right? Think about how much scale is actually enabled by offering these cloud services through to our customers. Instead of buying racks of servers and all that sort of thing that had to be done in the past, today, that same level of scale for optimization of applications and all that sort of thing that are important to our customers can happen without that capital expense of all of that infrastructure. Today, that same scale can be enabled through these cloud services, be them applications or infrastructure as a service or others. Impact. What is the impact of these solutions on the way an organization runs, on the way the end customer's business is running? The impact of these cloud solutions can be absolutely dramatic in helping those end customers of all of ours as partners bring new solutions, new applications, and new go-to-market approaches for their business together through a cloud delivery mechanism, instead of, again, all of that work that would need to be done in order to build those same systems internally. Action. This word action is an interesting one, because today our end customers, those IT professionals, business professionals that all of us as partners are selling to, they're looking for the action and the outcomes that are going to be coming from their investments in cloud services they're buying from all of us as partners. How do we define that action? What does it mean for them? What are they going to see as an overall deliverable for their organization based on the investments that they're making? Scale, impact, and action are all of how the cloud means business in today's market. Now we're taking this theme and rolling it all the way through the show. So you're going to see scale, impact, and action as it relates to the keynote speakers that are going to be speaking at Cloud Partners, through our education programming, on the show floor, and through all of our networking events that are going to take place at the show. All of these things are going to surround this concept of how the cloud means business. How are the keynoters going to be describing the impact of cloud-based services on the market today? How can you connect in with all of the exhibitors on our show floor to see how their solutions can enable you to create more scale in your cloud practice? How can you create action within the context of our networking events and our VIP sessions that are going on at the show? We're going to help you through all of those things at Cloud Partners in Boston this year, from September 16th to September 18th at the Heinz Conference Center. I'm John Seifert for Cloud Partners, and I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks.